Suppose you saved a contact in your Android device. You go ahead and open WhatsApp application. You tap on this new here, and if you want to send a WhatsApp message to that contact, what you will do is you will check the contact here, but for some reason you might not be able to see the contact here in this list. Now why does this happens is because the person whose contact you have saved in your phone, that person might not have installed WhatsApp application in their device. So unless they don't install and use WhatsApp application in their device, you cannot send WhatsApp message to that number. But what you can do is you can invite them to join to WhatsApp group or to WhatsApp application. So if I want to invite any contact to join WhatsApp, I will open WhatsApp. I will tap on these three dotted icons here. Go to settings, select invite a friend, and then you can select invitation to your friend or to the number by either sending an SMS, by sending an email, or by using some other options. Suppose if you want to invite them by using SMS, select SMS, select the contact, select done, and then what you can do, you can tap on this send icon so that the invitation will go to the person, and if the person accepts the invitations and if he installs WhatsApp application in his device, then only you can send WhatsApp message to that contact. Thank you for watching this video.